Good morning. In the Arduino learning series using Arduino IDE, over here we have the second program, how to acquire a digital signal. So I just copy this program into the Arduino IDE. So over here I just copy this, as you see. So right now over here, as you see, this is the command for integer int. We just put a variable name push button that is assigned with the digital pin second, then void setup. Over here I just put the command serial.begin, and in this serial begin I just put the baud rate of Arduino Uno, which is 9600. Then I just put the pin mode. The pin mode for this push button, you can also use the pin number second. You can modify this program like just put 2 comma input pin, because right now I just use the digital pin number 2 as an input pin. Okay, then just go to the void loop. Over here the state, so I just put integer button state. In this case right now I am not using a button. We can also use a button. Right now I just use a wire which is connected to a 0 volt or plus 5 volt that is available on Arduino board. Then I just use the command digital read. In the previous case I used the command digital write. Right now I just use the command digital read. And the push button is the pin number 2. Okay, then I just put this data on the serial monitor. Over here we have the serial monitor, so you can check. I also show you how we can check the input data of this signal or this digital pin using this serial monitor. And over here the delay is 1 millisecond. Okay, so when I just check the Arduino board, that is Arduino Uno, and the COM port is my COM4, I just upload this code, save this, and over here in the hardware part I just connect the digital pin second, and over here right now it is connected to the ground. So the data on the serial monitor should be 0. As you see, when I click on write, as you see over here the 00 is there, and when I changed it to ground to 5 volt, as you see over here I got the 1111. So right now using this, how you can acquire a digital signal. So again when I changed to the ground, as you see over here again we got the 00 value after 1 millisecond. So this is how you can generate and how you can acquire a digital signal using Arduino Uno. Thank you.